Hello friends, I am Sandeep Anap. Today we talk about Archimedes principle. Are you ever experienced that objects feel lighter in water than air? Why this happen?
What is reason behind this?
The answer is Archimedes principle. So what is Archimedes principle? Archimedes principle states that any object immersed completely or partially in fluid, it experiences upward force. This upward force is equal to the weight of fluid displaced.
This statement difficult to understand. Now simplify it. In statement 2 case given, completely immersed and partially immersed. We consider only completely immersed. And fluid means object which flow, either gaseous or liquid. We consider water. Now simplified statement is body immersed completely in water. It experiences upward force. That force equal to the weight of water displaced. Now divide this simplified statement into two parts. Part 1 body experience upward force and part 2 force equal to the weight of water displaced.
As you can see in previous video that water experience force on ball. So now we consider the second part of the statement.
Here is a container. Here is a small pipe. Water can overflow and come into the container. So we fill a container in such way that if we drop any small object, that container displaces water equal to the volume of that object, and that overflowed water come into the container equal to the volume of that object. So in this situation we drop any object, water displaced equal to the volume of that object. As we dip this object into water, water displaced, and amount of water displaced equal to the volume of that object. That overflowed water come into container. In a previous case, the weight of object is 7 kg. It is a practically 7 kg weight. In a second case, it's look lighter. As you can experience that any object feels heavy in air, but same object when we holding on water it feel lighter. So due to this second object, when we object deep into water, its weight is 6 kg and amount of water displaced equal to the 1 kg weight. Equal to the 1 kg weight. Loss in weight is equal to the original weight, that is weight in air, minus apparent weight in water. 7 kg minus 6 kg is equal to the 1 kg. Loss in weight is equal to the upward force. So upward force equal to the 1 kg weight. For this experiment we require water, a small vessel in which we can measure volume of water. Then we require a small beaker, a transparent glass, then a bowl and a milky measuring vessel of standard 50 ml. Take a glass and put in a bowl, then add a water in glass. Fill the glass fully in such a way that when you drop out any small object, water can be overflowed.
the measuring vessels of capacity 50 ml. Then it pressed in glass. As you can see, water overflowed. That push it completely, then we can see the case of completely immersed object. Then take out a glass from bowl. Then take a measuring vessels of capacity 50 ml. Then measure the amount of water overflowed. As you can see, the cap filled completely. So amount of water overflowed is 50 ml. Now we see the application of Archimedes principle. Take a watch. So it is my old watch. You don't try this. As you can see, it has an irregular object, so it is impossible to measure its volume. So now we put into the bowl. As you can see, water overflow. Then I take out glass from bowl. Then we measure the amount of water overflow in small beaker. As you can see, the amount of water overflow is 25 ml. So the volume of that watch is 25 centimeter cube. From this experiment, we conclude that any object immersed in fluid, it experiences upward force. This upward force equal to the volume weight of water displaced, and the weight of water displaced equal to the volume of object immersed in fluid. Thank you for watching video.